Hi, my name is José Malagón, and I'm here to create awareness to the tech community about climate change. So this is my storyboard. Climate change is about how weather is changing around the world. Like in, for example, Monterrey, the weather is changing. It's becoming a little bit hotter. In some other places, it's becoming a little bit colder. So this is what climate change is doing. It's heating up our world. The evidence one contribution, the emissions we calculated, it's a big contribution because it's about how many a person can contribute to this climate change because of bad habits they have. The CO2 they emit, to one person can emit tons of CO2 to the world, and it's becoming a big problem. So the consequences for nature about climate change, it's like in these photos. Australia forest burns out, the animals die, some species are in danger, forests are in danger because of climate change. It's heating up and it burns out forests, animals dying. This is an example of what could happen if ice melts and ocean levels goes up. It could be a big problem. Cities could be down, it could be full of water if ocean's levels goes up. And for humans, it's a very risky because it puts in risk our lives. Like if there will be floods like in these photos, storms, electric storms, and poor quality is what it's doing climate change to us humans. And a lot of humans have died because climate change increases the frequency of these extreme events like in these photos. And some recommendations I have for students, teachers, and other people, it's make carpool rides to a destination. Instead of using three cars, you can use one. Disconnect all electric devices you are not using in your home because it consumes if you're not using as well. Take showers no longer at 2 minutes because people waste a lot of water. Avoid mini splits because they use a lot of electricity. You can use windows or fans. Use bicycles to short rides. Reduce meat consumption to one per month to avoid greenhouse effects, greenhouse gases. Use public transportation more often. Recycle if you can to make it more easy to recycle. Stopping and reverting climate change is key to a future of life and to a future of the Sustainable Development Goals, because climate change is avoiding the fulfillment of these goals, and these goals are very important because we could have a better alimentation, a better life, better health, a cleaner city, cleaner water, a lot of examples that these goals give us, and we can fulfill these goals by doing the recommendations I placed above this presentation. And if all the people set their goals to do these recommendations and stop doing their bad habits, we could fulfill these goals. It's very important to fulfill these goals.